Frameless cabinet and drawer. Installation method 1. Step 1. Clean the installation area. Step 2. Tear off the sticker of Catch A. Step 3. Paste the Catch A on the adhesive region. Step 4. Measure the latch at a proper place. Step 5. Make a mark and paste the latch on the marked place. Now it's on working state. Press the button to unlock. Frame the cabinet and drawer. Installation method 2. Step 1. Paste the tape on the Catch B. Step 2. Paste the Catch B on the frame. Step 3. Measure the latch at a proper place. Step 4. Make a mark and paste the latch on the marked place. Step 5. Reinforce the Catch B and latch with screws. Now it's on working state. Press the button to unlock.